Back in cave days, cooking food required real effort. Start fire, hunt animal, avoid death. Now modern human press 2 button and chicken nugget become crispy masterpiece. This Ninja air fryer, tiny countertop oven powered by laziness and electricity. And Caveman immediately skeptical because humans call everything healthier now. Fried food? No, air fried. Very different apparently, but okay. Caveman test machine. First thing, primitive brain notice. This thing cook fast, like suspiciously fast. Fries become crispy. Chicken crunchy outside, juicy inside. Leftover pizza somehow returned from dead. Honestly, Caveman hate admitting this, but machine kinda amazing. And listen to modern human insanity. This thing roast, reheat, dehydrate, and air fry. One machine doing 4 jobs. Meanwhile, Caveman cousin Grug still struggle with regular fire. Also, easier cleanup. Basket, dishwasher safe. Very important because modern humans hate washing dishes more than taxes. And cavemen understand exactly why America obsessed with air fryers now. Human want food fast. Human want food crispy. Human want pretend healthier while eating giant plate of frozen snacks. Ninja understand human soul deeply. Now important warning, if tribe expect gourmet 5-star chef experience, relax. This still basically advanced hot air bucket. But for everyday food, primitive approval absolutely granted. Especially for busy humans, lazy humans, parents, college students, and nighttime gremlin snack goblins. And unlike many modern gadgets, no complicated setup, no app, no Bluetooth chicken tracking technology, just hot wind. Finally, human invent machine caveman fully understand. Link below if tribe want countertop food wizard. And subscribe for more Amazon finds for primitive minds.